Do you know that 50% of investors regret where they bought their first properties because those locations don't really cut it out for them? Now, if you watch this video to the end, I will show you 5 major things to look out for when investing in a particular location, especially if you intend to resell in later years. Let's call it your location checklist for investing in real estate for the intention of reselling. Now, the first thing that will be in that location checklist is look out for locations where governments have huge interest in, where you see governments investing so much of infrastructure in developing the road, constructing and putting different services or infrastructures that would drive population to that area, or is the population already existing in that area. This gives you an advantage because the government has interest in that location. That means population intends to move to that location in later years, or investors will also come to that location because they're already seeing that the government is trying to make that place something better. So if you see any location like that, the second thing is very simple. Follow the money. Find out where other huge investors are investing and just go there and invest, because the same money no they miss road. If there are lots of development going on in a particular location by these investors, that location is set to boom. It gives you an advantage as one of the first landlords that would sell to other latecomers, because in this kind of location you get properties in a very cheap price, and because of the prospective the construction and development that will come on there, your investments will appreciate as very fast. And then the latecomers that will come, when they see all the whole development going on there, you will be in advantage to sell to them at a very high price and reap your return on investments, even while you have more properties you can develop in that location if you seek to develop soon. Now, the next checklist for your locations, the best locations you can invest in are places close to universities. If you take properties that are very close to school, the landlords are the ones, like, they are very big landlords, because these people have high rental value, high rental income coming into their pockets every year. And because students don't stay for long, every year they have a reshuffle of new set of people, and with new people they add new prices and keep on cashing out. So properties close to university are prospective high demand properties because of their rental value, and also because it is highly in demand for students. The large multitude of students that will be moving in there soon, especially if it is their permanent site, if that university is their permanent site. So if you see properties close to university selling at a very cheap price for now, it is good to grab and resell later if you want, because it is definitely going to be in high demand, especially if you want to resell or you develop and cash out your rental income every single year. Now, this fourth checklist is the most important, especially if you are looking to resell. You have to look for properties in locations that the population is migrating to. So you know this by studying the migration trend of the state or city you want to invest in. But most times, because you're not so conversant with the topic, you might not really know. But one indication to tell you more about this kind of location, like locations that the population is migrating to, is where developers, that is huge developers, are siting their estates. That is one. Then secondly, the locations that governments have huge interest in. So if you see locations like this where much developers are siting their estates, and also the government is so interested in this location, then that's the next location for the migration of the population of that city. The fifth checklist is locations that are close to market and any means of transportation area. So locations that are close to airports, railway, or major transport areas are very good locations, and also locations that are close to market. Do you know why? This kind of locations attract a whole lot of population to that area, and most times this attraction actually brings people to actually want to stay around there instead of like going further. especially if they have businesses around the area, or they have need to always leave the city or come in but not permanently stay in the city. So this kind of population congestion actually makes that location develop faster than you imagine. Properties that are close to airports, seaports, or train stations, or major transport companies, and properties that are close to markets are very good locations to invest in. Now, if that location you want to invest in ticks all those boxes, then it's a good one. If it ticks 4 out of those 5, it's still a good one. 3 out of 5 is average, but 2 or 1, you just have to rethink it and make sure you are willing to wait for long till that property starts appreciating in price. So if you need help sorting out this kind of locations, or genuine properties in locations like this, that's where I come in. I'm here to help you secure legit genuine properties in the best location suitable for your specific real estate need. So why not call me and let's get you the best properties there is in the best locations for it. All right, until I come to your face next time, I am just Nnadi, your real estate therapist. Hope you found value in this video. All right, give me a follow for more tips and like this video so that more people can see this video and also get value from it. So I come to your face next time. Bye bye.